I've heard this MAXIMIST mascara is key for volume on your lashes, so that's what we're really gonna be testing out today. And also, I wanna see how buildable it is. Here we have the maximizing brush. So here are my lashes before. Hold the brush horizontally and have one of the reservoirs facing your lashes and just get as close to the root as you can. Then you can build up as many coats as you want with the fuller side of the brush. You can see how this mascara is just like layer by layer building and making my lashes so much fuller. That's so crazy. Here are my lashes with MAXIMIST, and then here they are sad and without it. But that's a crazy difference. Don't forget your bottom lashes because that's how your eyes will just really pop. Voila! Here are the lashes. Here's the look. MAXIMIST is amazing. Very happy about this. It's so good.